Hello and welcome to today's class, a 5-minute evening yoga stretch. You won't need any special props for this. You can even do this practice in bed if you'd like, right before bed. So when you're ready, make your way onto your back and start by drawing your knees in towards your chest. You can wrap your arms around the outside of your legs. You can also wrap your arms underneath your knees. You might find a gentle swaying motion from side to side. Or maybe you take your hands to your knees and take small circles with your knees in one direction and then switching the other way. Inhale in and exhale. Release both feet back to the mat. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. You can hold on your shin or underneath your knee. You can keep your right foot on the mat with your knee bent, or you can stretch your right leg out long. Again, close your eyes if you'd like. Take a nice breath in and out. Inhale in. Gently release, bringing your foot back down to the mat and drawing your left knee in towards your chest. You can hold on the outside of your shin or underneath your knee. Your right foot can stay on the mat with your knee bent, or you can stretch it out long. Inhale in. And exhale, release back to the mat. Pause here a moment, taking a breath in and out. Next, we'll come into reclined pigeon, taking your left leg up in the air. Flex through your foot and bend your knee as you bring your left ankle to your right knee. You can keep your right foot on the ground, or you can lift your right leg up and hold it up with your hands or a strap. Or if you have a wall nearby, you can also place your right foot at the wall and use that to hold it up for you. Close your eyes here if you'd like. Inhale in and exhale. Release your leg if it was lifted and uncross, bringing both feet back to the mat. Take a moment to notice the difference between both sides. And then when you're ready, reaching your right leg up into the air, flexing through your foot. Bend your right knee as you cross your right ankle over your left knee. You can keep your left foot on the ground, or you can lift it up or use the wall. Inhale in and exhale out, lowering your foot if it was lifted and uncross, bringing both feet back to the mat. Maybe windshield wiper your knees from side to side, letting them dip down one way and then up and over the other. Maybe you draw both knees to your chest, gently sway side to side. Come back to your breath here. Inhale in and exhale. Release your feet back down and take a full body stretch, reaching your legs out long, reaching your arms up overhead. Take a deep breath in and out. Then make your way to a comfortable Shavasana. Maybe you stretch your legs out long. Maybe you keep your knees bent. If you'd like to make your practice a little bit longer, check out this 20-minute bedtime yoga stretch that you can do from bed. Otherwise, stay in Shavasana for as long as you'd like. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your night.